ExperienceBU now has a video embedding feature which allows you to embed videos from YouTube or Vimeo at the location of your link. Videos can be embedded into news articles, event descriptions, informed questions, in organization about sections, and in organization galleries. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to embed a video into an event description and how to add a video to your gallery. To embed a video into an event description, you'll want to click Events from your list and select Create Event. In the event description field, look for this Insert Edit Link button and add your Vimeo or YouTube link to the URL and text-to-display boxes. Select OK, and the video will be embedded at the location that you just inserted the link. This is an example of an event where a YouTube video was embedded into the event description. A user can now watch the video right from your event page. To add videos to your gallery, click Gallery from your organization tools. We're going to click on an already existing album, and we'll then select Edit Album. Scroll down and click Add Video. Again, add your YouTube or Vimeo URL, give it a title, and add a description of your video. Then click Submit. Your video will now be part of the album you selected, allowing users to watch it while perusing your gallery. If you have any questions about this tutorial, email us at experiencebu@brocku.ca.